Hi guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Jose Cornejo and I'm with JDM ASTAR. And in today's video we're going to be showing you how to replace the rear turn signal bulbs on a 2014 Subaru BRZ. The same steps apply to the Toyota 86 model and the Scion FRS. So all three model cars can follow the exact same steps on how to replace these rear turn signal bulbs. Now, we're not going to be really showing you how to bypass the hyper flash because that's definitely anticipated. We do have a video where we show you how to install them, both using the inline harness and the universal option. So go ahead and check that out if you want to see how to bypass the hyper flash, and stick around so we can show you how to replace these bulbs. Okay, so the first steps you want to take, you want to first identify your lamp and verify the bulb size. So in this case, we're going to test out the hazard lights to see which is our turn signal bulb. The turn signal would be that one there. Okay, after identifying the lamp, you want to verify the bulb size. You can either pull the bulb out since it's really accessible. In this case, we're just checking the trusted owner's manual. So according to this, our rear turn signal bulb would be a WY21W. Cross-reference number would be a 7443 type. To access the rear turn signal bulb on the BRZ, it's really simple. After popping the hood open, you just want to remove this liner. Now, for the sake of the video, we've already unclipped these plastic clips, and you don't want to use any metal tools or a screwdriver. Try to use like plastic pry tools preferably, just so they don't get damaged. And once you remove the liner, just pull it back, and the bulb's right here. To remove the bulb, you want to give the socket a counterclockwise quarter turn. It should pull right out. Okay, to remove the bulb, you just want to grab the socket, give the bulb a nice little pull, and then you want to grab your WY21 LED, which would be the 7443 cross-reference size. In this case, we're using the same 3020 amber bulbs. The insert's real simple. Back in there, line up the socket, quarter turn, we're all set. Okay, now that the 3020 13 SMD amber LED bulb is installed, we have that here on the driver's side. On the passenger side, we kept the factory bulb installed to do a comparison between the two, and of course test the 3020 amber bulb. So without further ado, let's go ahead and see how they look. Alright, as you can see, the LED is a lot more responsive compared to the factory bulb. That's one of the advantages of using LEDs. And there's definitely a light difference between the two. I mean, the 3020, it's definitely night and day. We're pushing about 1300 lumens versus factory, usually on average about 300 to 400 depending on the bulb. So that pretty much wraps it up for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you really like this video, please like it. If you find it helpful, help support the channel by subscribing. Thank you again, and we'll see you next week.